Yesu.
Over maonga. Ia, mai se pati, whaafeilo hai le tātou sui tavan. O le si tātou pese taito tasi, o le se sunga ia Manu Samoa, Sarafua. Pati mai mo le sunga ia Manu Samoa.
O le pese la suina le sunga ya Manu Samoa si ala fua o whaingoina. Don't you remember?
When will I see you again? You let me know goodbye, and a single word was said. No final kiss to see a lady sing. I had no idea what a stay we were here. But I know I can figure out and beating it and one week while giving it in my head. Don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you left me before? Baby, please remember me once more. When will the last time without me? And you complete erase me from memory. I have to think about when I enroll. The more I do, yes I know. But I know I have to figure out and beating it and one week while living is in my head. Don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you left me before? Baby, please remember me once more. Don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you left me before? Baby, please remember me once more. When will I see you again?
Au vai ia Manu Samoa. Ia, o te mantua ni whawawhine wa whaale tonu la mawhitanga ma se tasi o anau o. Ngā airola i e wharisa, e latu ai whai mai e pese pātene. Oh yes, he touched me. Oh, he touched me. Whai mai mea whawawhine. No, Father, he cut me. He got to me. Meron pa yaman sa mo. Sa uwaman sa mo. Touch me.